If you're in your 20s and watching this video, you're about to save yourself from making the same costly career mistakes that 9 out of 10 people make during this crucial decade. I'm going to share 7 evidence-backed mistakes that could set your career back by years, and more importantly, how to avoid them completely. Most of them are based on my self-experience and observed behavior of some friends. Your 20s are your career foundation years. According to research from Harvard Business School, the decisions you make in your first decade of work have a compound effect that can impact your lifetime earnings by up to 20%. So let's dive into these 7 critical mistakes, backed by real data and research. Mistake number 1. Job hopping without strategy. The first major mistake is unthinking and hasty job hopping without a strategic plan. Now, I'm not saying you should stay in a stupid job, but there's a difference between strategic career moves and just jumping ship every time things get tough. LinkedIn Economic Graph data, 2023, shows that professionals who change jobs every 1-2 years in their 20s earn 50% less by age 35 compared to those who make strategic 2-3 year moves. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Average job tenure for workers aged 25-34 is only 2.8 years, but those with 3-5 year tenures show 34% higher salary growth. The solution: stay at each role for at least 2-3 years to show commitment and gain deep expertise. Only leave for roles that offer either 20% plus salary increase, significant skill development, or better long-term prospects. Always have a clear reason for your move that you can justify to future employers. Mistake number 2. Neglecting skill development. The problem, mistake number 2, is thinking your degree is enough and neglecting continuous skill development. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report shows that 50% of all employees will need reskilling by 2025. McKinsey Global Institute. 375 million workers globally will need to learn new skills due to automation and AI. LinkedIn Learning Report 2024. Professionals who spend 5+ hours per week learning new skills are 47% more likely to get promoted within 12 months. Deloitte study. Companies are 5x more likely to promote employees who actively upskill. Traditional designers who only knew Photoshop found themselves struggling as UX, UI design exploded. Those who proactively learned Figma, user research, and prototyping saw their salaries increase by 40–60%. The ones who didn't, many had to start over in their 30s. The solution: dedicate 1 hour daily to learning new skills. Focus on skills that complement your current role or position you for your next career move. Get certifications in high-demand areas like data analysis, digital marketing, or project management. Join professional associations and attend industry conferences. Mistake number 3. Avoiding difficult conversations and feedback. The third mistake is avoiding difficult conversations, especially when it comes to salary negotiations and performance feedback. This people-pleasing tendency can cost you thousands of dollars and years of career growth. Harvard Business Review study. Employees who regularly ask for feedback are 3.2x more likely to be promoted. Pay scale research. 57% of people have never negotiated their salary, and women are 2.5x less likely to negotiate than men. Gallup Workplace study. Only 23% of employees strongly agree that they receive meaningful feedback, yet those who do are 3x more engaged. The solution: schedule quarterly one-on-ones with your manager to discuss performance and career goals, research market rates for your role and negotiate salary annually. Ask specific questions. What would I need to do to get promoted in the next 12 months? Practice difficult conversations with trusted friends or mentors, preferably in same office, industry. Mistake number 4. Not building a professional network. Mistake 4 is thinking networking is fake or unnecessary. I strongly feel that this is the reality. This is perhaps the most costly mistake because 70% of senior level positions are never publicly advertised. LinkedIn research: 85% of jobs are filled through networking. Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis: people with strong professional networks earn 20% more than those without. Harvard Business School study: MBA graduates with larger networks had starting salaries $25,000 higher on average. The solution: attend at least one industry event per month, connect with colleagues on LinkedIn and engage with their content, offer help before asking for it, share relevant articles, make introductions, join professional associations in your field, maintain relationships even when you don't need anything. Mistake number 5. Staying in your comfort zone. The fifth mistake is staying too comfortable and not taking calculated risks. I can share a lot of stories, experiences I underwent. Your 20s are the time when you have the least to lose and the most to gain from bold career moves. MIT study on career trajectories: professionals who took on high visibility, challenging projects in their 20s were 2.3x more likely to reach executive positions by age 45. Stanford research: 78% of successful entrepreneurs started their first significant venture before age 30. Kellogg School research: career moves involving 25-35% skill stretch showed optimal outcomes for long-term career growth. The solution: volunteer for projects outside your job description, apply for stretch roles even if you only meet 70% of requirements, consider relocating for better opportunities, take on leadership roles in professional organizations, start side projects that could become full-time opportunities. Mistake number 6. Ignoring company culture and values alignment. Mistake 6 is taking jobs based only on salary and title, ignoring whether the company culture aligns with your values and working style. This leads to burnout and job dissatisfaction. Gallup State of the Workplace: employees who feel their values align with their companies are 3x more likely to be engaged. Culture AMP research: poor culture fit is responsible for 40% of employee turnover in the first 18 months. MIT Sloan study: toxic workplace culture is 10x more predictive of employee turnover than compensation. The solution: research company culture through Glassdoor, LinkedIn, and employee testimonials. Ask specific culture questions during interviews. How does the company support work-life balance? Look for companies with clear values that align with yours. Consider factors like growth opportunities, mentorship, and team dynamics alongside salary. Mistake number 7. Not investing in your personal brand. The final mistake is neglecting your personal brand and online presence. In today's digital world, your reputation precedes you, and 92% of recruiters use social media to find candidates. Career Builder survey: 70% of employers use social media to screen candidates. LinkedIn data: members with complete profiles are 40x more likely to receive job opportunities. Personal branding research: professionals with strong personal brands earn 22% more than those without. The solution: optimize your LinkedIn profile with a professional photo and detailed experience, share industry insights and comment thoughtfully on posts, write articles about your expertise and lessons learned, speak at industry events or webinars, maintain a professional online presence across all platforms. Conclusion and call to action. So there you have it, 7 career-killing mistakes that most people make in their 20s. Remember, your career is a marathon, not a sprint. The habits and decisions you make now will compound over time. Here's your action plan. 1. Audit your current career strategy. Are you making any of these mistakes? 2. Choose one area to focus on this month. 3. Set specific, measurable goals for improvement. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more career advice backed by real research and data. And let me know in the comments, which of these mistakes resonated most with you. Your future self will thank you for the changes you make today. Until next time, keep building that dream career.